Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the chat feature inside Gmail because it won't appear until turned on. Sign into the target Gmail account, click the gear icon, and choose See All Settings. Once inside, go to the Chat and Meet tab and pick Google Chat rather than off. Click Save Changes and allow Gmail to reload. This setup puts the chat pane into the left column so you can access conversations without switching apps, which saves time and keeps context in one window. After reload, you'll see Chat and Rooms in the left column. This is how you navigate conversations. Click Chat to reveal direct messages and click Rooms to open team spaces. Once you select a contact or room, the conversation opens in a panel. Type a message, press Enter to send, or attach files using the paperclip icon. Make sure to use the search bar at the top to find people, messages, or spaces. It's faster than scrolling when you have many threads. Finish by customizing notifications and availability so you only get alerts you need. Go back into Settings and configure chat notifications, status, and message preview preferences. If chat still doesn't appear, make sure your account type supports chat. Some managed work or school accounts restrict it. Once done, clear browser cache and reload Gmail, or test a different browser or incognito window to isolate extensions or cache issues. If problems continue, contact your admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.